Oh gosh. So you're gonna have to.
Oh, why don't you use your
What?
Why don't you use your drop thing? That one is pretty good in mine. Hold on, let me call it.
So I can see it.
Cramp. Yeah, cramp. Hold on.
Stretch her out.
Yeah.
Drink some more water, whatever that stuff is.
Oh yeah, I see her.
You can actually see it? Oh yeah, look at you.
Freaking line on, dude. I don't have any access anymore.
Because that was next step in my process.
If it works, it works. No, you gotta go up with it.
Which way is up, ding dong?
But you can't because your wastegate line's in the way. Hold on.
Let me see if I can turn it on, I guess.
Let me see your gun. I might be able to get it from up here.
The gun? How?
With the extension. I might be able to get it from up here. I can't get my fingers in there now.
Yeah, why do you think I am with my big old...
Well, why did you put that on it?
Even with that in there, or without it in there, I couldn't get my big old meat hands in there.
Meat hanger?
Yeah.
Oh, what the fuck?
We'll stick it in my socket.
I wonder. Can you push it up closer to me? Hold on. And
then I kind of need it to be straight, the socket. Can you straighten my socket out?
Yep.
Easy. Yeah, there you go. Okay.
Easy boy. You're on, just, yep. You don't know if you're on straight or not. Oh, you're off, hold on. Hold on.
Hold on, I got it.
No, you don't. It's gonna go on cross-threaded.
It's threaded. Oh, now it's not on. Ding dong.
You're ding dong. There you go. Not one. You got stuff in the waves there.
Turbo. So what happened to this bad boy?
Some steel debris came in from the intake tube, and you see that it got stuck in there for a little while and cut its way around. The bearing and everything in the in here is a hair loose, but it's still good. So it's not internal; it all came from the exterior. You can actually see how much it pelted on the outside too.